Hello, everyone. Welcome to Canonical's Data and AI Masters, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Gloria Quintanilla. I lead communications at Canonical, and I'll be your host for the event. Our two-day event brings you expert insights on the latest developments in artificial intelligence and data management at scale. We have a great speaker lineup in store for you, including engineers, product managers, and business leaders from companies like Ampere, Dell, Google, Intel, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and of course, Canonical. You'll also hear from leaders who are behind new open source projects in the data space, such as Valky. Let's quickly cover some housekeeping details. If you're joining us using RingCentral, please ask your questions in the Q&A panel on the right-hand side. Our team will be available to answer your questions and may follow up with you by email if we can't answer all of them throughout the day. You can also use the agenda to build your own custom calendar for the event and configure notifications if you want to be notified when the session starts. For today, we have two tracks, an AI track and a data track. Let me set the stage for the data track, which is the one you've joined today. If you've joined this track, then it's very likely that you're looking to improve data management and operations in your organization. According to recent studies, 80% of data center admins have experienced a significant outage in the past 3 years. And 90% of the time of database administrators' time is spent on maintenance tasks. It's clear that improving performance and reliability are a top priority for several organizations, if not most. Another trend that's been growing over the past few years has been the move to the cloud. Back in 2019, Gartner estimated that 75% of databases would be hosted in the cloud by 2022. So it's very likely that you're either planning a cloud migration, in the midst of one, or perhaps even running a multi-cloud or hybrid estate, which carries its own set of challenges. Then there's the matter of regulatory compliance and security, which is a challenge that's top of mind, especially now as more organizations are starting to embrace AI in full force. McKinsey reports that 53% of organizations using AI consider cybersecurity to be the highest risk they need to mitigate. There are now approximately 100 international data flow regulations. And data breaches are costly, but even more so for organizations with high compliance failures. Studies show that a lapse in compliance can cost organizations up to $1.2 million more than the average. At Canonical, we have 20 years of experience securing and supporting open source. You know us as the company behind Ubuntu. For the past 20 years, we have worked to make free software accessible to the widest possible audience through Ubuntu. Our mission is to amplify the impact of open source by making it secure, reliable, and available to all for use at scale. We do this through our close collaboration with open source communities. And this community ethos is something we hold very dear to our heart. Among the projects we support in the data and AI space is OpenSearch, which you'll hear more about today. Let me say a few words about our product portfolio. Most of our users and customers start their journey on Ubuntu, which is the world's most widely distributed Linux on the cloud. With up to 12 years of long-term support, Ubuntu gives you a reliable platform for innovation on any cloud, be it private, public, or bare metal. If you want to orchestrate bare metal servers like a cloud, you can rely on our efficient hardware automation solution, MAS, which helps you provision servers at speed. If you're building a private cloud, you can use our virtualization solutions, such as MicroCloud for low-touch, highly automated clouds, or Canonical OpenStack for large-scale data center operations. Those looking for software-defined storage can also rely on our Ceph distribution. And if you're looking to build containerized applications, you can use our secure container offering and manage your containers using our supported Kubernetes distributions. At the heart of our portfolio is Juju, an open source orchestration engine that enables you to deploy, integrate, and operate applications in a low-ops way on any infrastructure with a seamless admin experience across Kubernetes and VMs. Building on Juju's lifecycle management capabilities, we have developed a portfolio of multi-cloud data and AI solutions in our distributions for Kafka, Spark, OpenSearch, Postgres, and Kubeflow, among others. As you can see, our portfolio covers a wide range of open source enablers. We provide security, support, and compliance for all of those enablers through one subscription, Ubuntu Pro. Enterprises can also work with us to get fully managed offerings in their data center or the cloud of their choice. To deliver on the latest innovations in open source, we also work very closely with partners across the technology spectrum, from silicon vendors to public clouds. During the data track, we will cover a range of topics to help you address some of the toughest challenges you may be facing today, from choosing the best database for your use case, to benchmarking your database management system, to building a data lake, or even running a relational database across clouds. You'll discover how Canonical's multi-cloud data solutions can help you ensure the right data is ingested to answer your business's most pressing questions, and how you can do this while automating complex operational tasks and maintaining high availability and performance. We hope you enjoyed today's sessions, and we look forward to hearing your questions and your feedback. Let's get started.